In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can update your iPhone software. In case you need the new iPhone software, simply head into your phone settings. This notification will always appear right here in case you have took long without updating to the newest software version. Head into the option of Software Update Available. Wait for it to load. To review what's new about the software, just tap on Learn More. You will see enhanced features and bug fixes right here. Get back and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Tap on Download and Install. It will start downloading. This usually takes some good time to finish up the process. That's how easy it is to update your iPhone software to the latest version. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.